vehicle tracking system. Today we discuss how to use Spotter apps to track your vehicle live. Click on this app. It's open. You have to give user ID and password here. The user ID and password, demo user ID and password is SDEMO. After login, you can get this type of list of vehicle. Here the blue mark showing the vehicle is in park. Here is live location details. Here is parking time details. Here is last update location update time. If you are see green mark, here is the vehicle indicate this vehicle is in running condition. Here is live location details. Here is live speed details. Here is last location update time. If you click on here in the map icon, you can get live location on map like this. Here in bottom you can see live speed details. Here you can see the vehicle movements on map live. If you go to main menu, you have just click on any of the vehicle number here like this. Here we come to main menu. Here is vehicle number, here is last updated time, here is live speed details, here is live location details. Now come in main menu. In map we can get the live location on map like previous. From info we can get today's total running kilometers, GPS battery status, etc. From reports we get various types of reports from here like this. Here you have to put start time, end time details, and if you click on all points report, you have get vehicle movement reports minute wise like this. If you click on stop report, you have to give minutes, and the report shows the vehicle location where your vehicle stops more than. If you click on overspeed report, you have to put overspeed limit. Here the report shows the locations where the vehicle crosses the overspeed limit. If your vehicle configured with area and city, the reports are showing the area in and out time, city in and out time also. And here is run report. Here is ignition on off report. From this report you can get your engine on and off time and location details like this. And you get AC on off reports also. If your vehicle configured with locked, you can lock your vehicle. If your vehicle configured with alerts, you can get alert details from here. If from the route menu, we can access the previous vehicle movement details from here. You have to put here the start time and date, end time and date. Next, if you are click all points report, it's showing the previous vehicle movement details like this. You can change map view types also. 2D 3D is also like this. After that, if your driver number is configured with this, you can dial directly from this dialer menu. If you can find your nearby vehicle up to 500 kilometers vehicles from the nearby menu. You can share your current location data to anyone from share menu. You can get a location of a particular time from the history menu. Here is all of this. Thank you.